Hey guys, Diamond Christian 21 here again with another video. Today we have a Frigidaire 5000 BTU window air conditioner that I found on the curb, which I cleaned up. So here are the specs down over here. So model number FFRA05L1R11. 115 volts, 60 hertz, one phase, 5,000 BTUs, 11.0 EER, or 11.0 CER, and the EER is 11.1. It has 10.58 ounces of R410A. So let's start up on low fan. Let's start low fan. Here it's starting to have a big case of bad bearings. Let's go high fan. Yeah, that's not the greatest thing to have. Here's the back, by the way. There's the tag on the bottom. So let's start up on low cool. Put you by the compressor. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we're going. It might kick off because it's kind of 66 in here, so maybe it might kick off. We have this on top of it, this higher. This is the one we're focusing on. Let's go high cool. I have a heater here just in case. So yeah. Let's take off the cover. Which I will do. So take off the knobs. If we can take them off, take off the knobs. Okay, I'll be back now. Okay, here's the inside of it. Kept shutting off. So that's the thermostat for you guys. So there's the cover. And this it has like adjustable vents. You can see the coils. So we're gonna let her run for like a 10 minutes and we'll be back. 10 minutes later, we're gonna do some temp checks. So we're gonna get the temp done, which is on the Frigidaire over there. There's the GE. The covers fall off, which I might need to tape on. Sneak peek for another AC video. That one is already up. So let's see what we're getting on here. Sit down. That's getting about 62 coils. That's about it. And we got 50, 48. That's pretty good. And it's not as good as that one, but it's okay. She runs, that's what matters. Yeah, we're gonna have to oil this fan, even though it has a good stop. Yeah. have styrofoam for the inside and the outside, not like metal for like that one over there. That's also a sneak peek for another video. Yeah, so we'll put the cover back on. Okay, she's back to better. By the way, guys, here's the filter. Comes at the side, that's it. That's about it. So, I'll shut it down. Shut it off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be... So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.